Denver 5526 on a turn, 8 right, line up and wait.
Stand by.
Delta 295 Heavy, hold short of Victor, advise me when you're ready.
All right, we just hit something on the taxiway. Could you tell us what it was?
Are you looking at that collision for right in front of the approach in?
You know, I just noticed that the tail on the RJ is missing. So Endeavor 5526, hold your position, and do you require any immediate assistance?
We're holding our position and stand by on no immediate assistance. We'll need a tow though.
Ground, Delta 295.
The whole tail of that CRJ's off. Yeah, we got the CRJ 900 with its tail off here off of Foxtrot 2.
And Endeavor 5526, we'll get all that working right now.
Ground, you copy 295.
Delta 295, hold short of Victor. It does appear that you struck the RJ that's holding short of 8 right.
Okay, that's what we hit then. Yeah, we were on center line. Instructions were Echo short of Victor. We're holding short of Victor, and understand. Thank you. What did they hit?
Op 6, are you on frequency?
Yes, sir, Op 6.
Right, there's been an incident there at Hotel and Echo short of 8 right on the south side there with the RJ and most likely that heavy.
Yes, sir, Op 6 is en route right now. Do you need anything from me right now, or you going to roll the fire truck?
Well, there's no assistance required as far as emergency goes, but we may want to do a quick just sweep of the approach into the runway there to make sure that we can still use that portion of the runway.
All right, roger, that's Op 6. I'll head towards the approach into 8 right for you, sir.
Thank you.
Tower number 6526.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're expecting there to be a hydraulic leak behind us. We're showing dual hydraulic failure from system 1 and 3.
5526, roger. We're going to go ahead and have the emergency vehicles come out and check you guys out. There's an operations vehicle behind you there. They'll check out the taxiways, and if you need anything else, just let me know.
What was I thinking of 5526?
8 Tower from Op 6.
Op 6, go ahead.
Yeah, let's go ahead and show taxiway hotel between Foxtrot and the 8 right approach unclosed, and then Echo between ramp 2 and ramp 1.
Op 6 will show all that closed at this time. Hotel between the runway and Foxtrot, as well as Echo between Fox 2 and Hotel.
Is it going to be a while here for Delta 531?
Delta 531, it's going to be a minute. We've had an incident on taxiway Echo. I don't think we're going to be taxiing 8 right anymore.
I figured as much. Any plans at the south side, I'm assuming then?
Jet 605, once we can get confirmation that the runway's good there on the other side, we'll go ahead and get you guys going, but it'll be just a minute.
Yeah, Jet 605, we'll be ready, hold short.
All right, Tower Op 6, I'm ready to go ahead and get your runway inspection done for 8 right whenever you're ready.
At Op 6 there at Echo 1, you can proceed on to runway 8 right.
Proceeding on 8 right for Op 6.
Atlanta ground from R8. I'm trying to get the frequency for the alert 3 at taxiway Echo and Hotel.
And calling it Atlanta ground, I can't hear you. All I hear is a siren.
Okay. Okay, Atlanta ground, this is R8. Sorry about that. Trying to get the frequency for the alert 3 at Echo and Hotel.
And Orange 3, you're on the correct frequency. The alert 3 is on taxiway Echo at the intersection of Hotel and Echo.
Tower Fire Chief.
Fire Chief there.
Tower Fire Chief. Fire Chief, can you give us info on the emergency?
Fire Chief, the emergency will be located at taxiway Hotel in the approach end of runway 8 right. Op 6 Tower, I see you've exited runway 8 right. Is it usable?
Op 6 off, runway 8 right, affirmative sir, from the Echo 1 intersection, runway 8 right is usable.
Op 6, and I need to verify the closure on Echo. Can you verify that if we close Echo between Foxtrot 2, or should we close Foxtrot 2 also?
For Op 6, let's do Echo between Echo 1 and Victor if we can. That'll be the safest area.
Okay, Op 6 rather, we'll show Echo closed between Echo 1 and Victor.
And then, are you talking to the 8350 here, sir?
Negative. They should be on ground frequency.
Roger, thank you, Op 6.
Which one are you asking about?
The heavy A350 on Echo just to the west of Taxiway Hotel.
Yes, Delta 295 is on this frequency.
Could you ask Delta 295 to cut their engines for us, please, for Op 6?
Delta 295, can you cut your engines?
Yeah, it'll be just a second. We got to start up the APU, and we'll shut the engines. We'll let you know when we're shut down. Do you have a discrete frequency we can talk directly to them?
Delta 295 Heavy, go to 121.65.
All right, 2165.
Op 6, go to 121.65.
2165 for Op 6.